Whenever I will teach you reasoning, the reasoning questions has to be copied somewhere. Do not ask at last, ma'am, please give these questions. Questions will be discussed within the class, and only those type of, not exactly the same, those type of questions will come. Okay, so what topic is coming in in this reasoning today? This UDUT. What topic is coming in reasoning? You know that in UTs? Nobody knows. Very good. It's
Ma'am, operation.
it's mathematical operations. Mathematical operations. This chapter is coming. Okay. So in mathematical operations, this is not maths, but it is related to maths. This is reasoning we are doing, but we are doing mathematical operations. You're not doing maths here. We are doing mathematical operations. So in reasoning, it will be a little bit different. You have to use your logic. Beta, three types of question may come. Like if they can give you if plus means minus, multiply means plus, divide means multiply, and multiply is then minus means divide. Like this type of question it may come. They may swipe you the numbers, like, okay, they may swipe you the operations, like plus ko minus bana diya, minus ko plus bana diya, plus ko divide. They may swipe anything. Okay, not compulsorily this, it could be anything. Okay, now this is one of the question. Next is if. Next is symbolic. Number one is exchanging. Number one, they can exchange operations. They can exchange operations. Plus means minus, minus. These are all what? These are all operations. They may exchange the operations. Second thing is they may use signs. They may use, second thing, they may use signs. Signs like what? Like signs, you can make a, they can make a box. Box means plus, or triangle means minus. Okay, circle means divide, like this type. Okay, this is second type. Or they can use, or they can use symbols also. They can use symbols also. Symbols like at the rate, dollar means plus.
Right.
Abhi, don't write anything. Just look on the board. Until and unless I ask you, I will always write here what you have to write. Just look on the board and see what I'm doing. Dollar means plus. Okay. Or you can say and rate means minus. Or in the similar way, they can denote you as P means plus. Q means minus. Okay, they this like this they may change the mathematical operations. Understood? Understood or not? Is it clear to everyone? Okay, so
Yes, ma'am.
all are same. All are same. This one, this one, this one, all are same. What you have to do whenever they give you any question, just replace. Suppose they have given you 25, circle 5. 25 circle 5. So what you have to do, you will write this thing as 25 5, and in the place of circle you have to replace with a divide. Where in rough notebook? Where in rough? Okay, now see what I will do. For the mathematical operations, the basic thing you should know is the BODMAS. If you don't know BODMAS, you will not be able to do any mathematical operation correctly. Mathematical operations. Okay, mathematical operations. So if you don't know anything about BODMAS, you will not be able to solve any question related to it correctly, or all answers will be wrong if you will not solve it according to the BODMAS. Okay, can anyone tell me the full form of BODMAS? Okay, Rihansh?
Ma'am, bracket of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction.
Brackets of
Of
division,
division and multiplication, addition, and subtraction.
multiplication,
Addition,
addition,
and subtraction.
subtraction. And basically what we will use main these four DMAS. That means one by one. First we will solve the bracket. Bracket maybe it may be given at the last, but you have to solve them first. That means our priority will be first brackets. We will solve, first of all we will solve brackets. All the brackets we will solve. In next step, not in the same step. In the next step, when all the brackets will be finished, then we will solve all the offs. If all the offs are finished, then we will solve all the divides in that equation. If all the divides will be solved, then we will also do all the multiplication, then addition, and then subtraction. For example, I must give you one good question. Like I asked you this question many times. 2 plus 2 into 2. What I can see, most of you do it like this. 2 to 4 into 2. And most of you write it answer as 8. Which was, I always say this is wrong. Why is this wrong? Because you solved this first. 2 plus 2, 4. This is wrong. Why? See, 2 plus 2 multiply by 2. So according to BODMAS, multiplication and addition is given. Which is coming first? Multiplication. That means, well, although it is given at the last, but we will do the first multiplication. Before addition, we will do multiplication. 2 plus 2 2s are 4 and plus 2. Now answer will be 6. Okay, see the difference in the answers. Can you see the difference in the answer? It is coming 8 and it is coming 6. See, exactly the same equation. But which one is correct? You will say, ma'am, this is correct. Somebody will say, ma'am, this is correct. This one is only correct. Why? Because we are following the rule of DMAS. We are following the rule of DMAS. DMAS means BODMAS. Okay? This is very much compulsory. Okay. I hope you will all remember this, the full form of BODMAS. It is very easy. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now let us do one question. Okay, do not copy, Abhi. Do not copy down. Achha, by the time I'm writing, you also start writing with me. Okay. First question I'm giving of symbols. Write down. Maths reasoning notebook. Write this. If box means, this type of question we have already done. Divide. Circle means plus. Triangle means minus. And this pentagon means multiply. Okay, do like this. Solve. Do not copy this, Abhi. I'm just checking the question. 3. Do this. Solve this. Tell me the answer quickly.
We can pause. got the answer.
Okay. How much?
Ma'am, 527.
527. No, this is wrong. Wrong. Let me explain this. 3. This is pentagon. Okay. This is pentagon. 3 pentagon means multiply 25. This is pentagon, not triangle. This is divide 5. On circle we have plus 5. Beta, best way to do this, see, everyone see. Best way to do this, just wait a second. I'm not given the permission to mute you. So just wait a second. Huh. The best way to do it,
Ma'am,
3, 25, 5, 5. First of all, write the numbers as they are. First of all, write the numbers as they are. Then instead of pentagon,
Excuse me,
you will
ma'am.
write multiply. Just wait a minute, Om. Let me explain. We will put one multiply here. Instead of this, we will put one divide over here. And in the place of circle, we will put a plus over here. Okay. So if you can see here, I'm putting an arrow equal to arrow. Okay. Now, first of all, B is not there. O is not there. D is there. Divide. 25 divided by 5. What is the answer? 25 divided by 5. 25 divided by 5. What is the answer?
5.
5.
5. Ma'am, 5.
Plus 5. Okay. Now B is D we have solved. Is there any other D? No D. No D. Now we will go to next one. B O D. Then M. Any multiplication is there? Yes, there is one multiplication. 3 and 5. So answer will be 3 5s are 15. And plus 5 is equals to 20, which most of you have answered it correctly. Which you have answered it correctly. Good. What were you asking now? Speak.
I also give answer correct.
Yes. 20 is the correct answer. Okay. Most of you have given it correctly. Acha, previously there was some mistake that I corrected it. See, मैंने क्या किया बेटा? What I did here, मैंने अभी इसमें triangle लिखा हुआ था ना पहले. So I'm going to rub this again. पहले जो था वो कैसे किया जाता? अगर यहाँ पर triangle होगा तो कैसे किया जाएगा? Just look here. Again we will do same thing. 3, 25, 5, 5. Triangle की जगह minus. Okay. Then square की जगह divide. 5 multiply 5. नहीं, circle की जगह you will put plus sign over here. Okay. Now look here, everyone carefully. Instead of using your mic, just switch off your mics. Switch off your mics and look here on the board. बहुत important है बेटा. This is very important, which I'm going to teach you right now. Now see. BODMAS, according to BODMAS, divide will be there. So I'm going to do this division part over here. Just wait. I'm going to do it with the red pen. Just wait. It would be 25 divided by 5. Okay. Now.
Ma'am, we have to do this.
No, beta, just listen. Instead of doing what we have to do this or not, just listen to me properly. See here, 25 divided by 5. This part we will solve. If we divide 25 by 5, we will get 5. 3 minus 5 and plus 5. 3 minus 5 plus 5. Now see the numbers. Now we have to do mass addition. Addition, how to perform addition and subtraction together. See the numbers which have plus sign before them. Plus sign before them. We will solve them first. The numbers which are having plus sign before them, or if any number does not have any sign also, then we consider it as plus. जब किसी नंबर के आगे कोई साइन नहीं होता है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल 25 इज रिटन और इससे पहले कोई साइन नहीं है, ना मल्टीप्लाई का, ना प्लस का, ना डिवाइड का, इट विल बी कंसीडर्ड एज प्लस. तो क्या होता है वहां पर? प्लस. तो सबसे पहले हम प्लस वाले बताएंगे. इसमें टेल मी हाउ मेनी ऑफ देम आर प्लस साइंस. टेल मी.
मैम 3.
हाँ टेल.
मैम 3.
3 इज ऑफ प्लस साइन. और दूसरा कौन सा है प्लस साइन वाला? एक और नंबर है प्लस साइन के साथ जिसके पहले प्लस लगा है. प्लस 5. ये वाला 5. तो 3 plus 5, add them together. 3, पहले आप लिख लो 3 plus 5 and minus 5 will be here. 3 plus, just wait a second. 3 plus 5 is what? 3 plus 5 is what? 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 minus 5 is equals to 3.
3.
Understood? अंडरस्टूड. बेटा जिसके पहले प्लस साइन लगा होता है, एडिशन जो करते हैं हम, ऐड में क्या करते हैं, व्हाट वी ऐड, जिसके आगे प्लस साइन होता है, जिससे पहले प्लस साइन होता है, उन सब नंबर्स को ऐड करते हैं. इधर अगर कोई साइन नहीं है 3 के साथ, दैट मींस इट इज अ प्लस. प्लस 3 प्लस 5. 3 plus 5 is 8. Understood this thing? Shall I give you a question related to like this? Now will you be able to do it? Okay, I'm giving you one more question related to it. This question you will write. The symbols will be same. The symbols will be same here. The symbols will be same here. Then you have to solve this question. Just wait. Who is this? Divyang, please switch off your mic. 4 minus 5 plus. Do this question.
Ma'am, 8 answer.
8 answer, okay. Write 4, 5, 7 like this. Okay. Somebody is saying 6, somebody is saying 8. See the difference in answers. There will be only one answer. There will be only and only one answer. See, triangle means minus and circle means plus. Tell me how many of plus numbers are there? What are those numbers जिससे पहले plus लगा है? Tell me. अरे दिव्यांग, please, Samar and Divyang, please. Samar, please switch off your mic. Samar, please switch off your mic. हाँ बेटा.
7, 4.
What? 4
and 7.
4 and 7. 4 से पहले प्लस लगा है और 5 7 से पहले प्लस लगा है. 7 से पहले, before, not after. Don't think कि 4 minus है. No, 4 is not subtracting. So first we will add 4 and 7. What is 4 plus 7? What is 4 plus 7?
11.
11. 11. Now this 5 is left out. 4 plus 7 is 11. 4 plus 7 is 11. Now this 5 is left out. We will write this 5 here. 11 minus 5. What is 11 minus 5? 6.
6.
6 will be the answer. You can note it down. Note it down. This minus 5 will be written as minus 5 only. It will not be changed.
Ma'am, done.
Good. Shall I rub this? Shall I give you another question now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next question, same symbols. Okay. Okay, solve this. Solve this.
Ma'am,
Done?
my answer is 25.
No.
Ma'am, is it 50 or 5 circle?
50. This is 5050, not circle. This is 5050.
Okay.
Samar, you have send me the correct answer. Pratyusha, you also. Samar, okay. This one.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Dhwani. Good. Just type in the chat box once you have completed it. That you have, what is your answer coming? Type in the chat box. Always to see board mass. See, 25 will be here, 50 will be here, 25 again will be here. Now 25, this means minus, and this means divide. So that means we have to do the division first. BODMAS, according to BODMAS, we have to do the division, this part. 50 divided by 25. So 50 divided by 25 is what? 50 divided by 25. If you divide 50 by 25,
Ma'am, 2.
2 beta, 25 twos are 50.
Ma'am, 2.
25 twos are 50, 25 fours are 100. Remember these terms. See, I'm telling you, this is for general use. You should remember 25 fours are 100, 25 twos are 50. 4 times 25 means 100. 2 times 25 means 50. 25 minus 2 is what? 23. What is the sum?
Ma'am, 23.
23 is the answer. Most of you have answered it correctly. Good.
Ma'am, मेरा भी तो आंसर यही आया था.
Huh? Somebody is saying something? Just wait a second. Today, now. Okay. There is one more question comes. Which statement is correct? Same question, and it may ask you which question is correct. Okay, I'm giving you two questions. You have to take which one is correct. 12. Wait a second. 16 or 12. 9. 7. 8 notes plus circle notes plus 49 S7 S2 notes divide S notes divide. Do this one. I will tell you about wrong one and right one in the next one. Do this. Okay, I'm making it a little bit easy. Do this. I'm making it a little bit easy. 16, this, I'm 88. Since the time is going to be up, multiply 2 plus 49 divided by 7. What we have to do first? Tell me quickly. What we have to do first? What do you have to do first here in this equation? This division, very good, division. That means 49 divided by 7 we have to do. 16 multiplied by 2 will be like this only. Circle means plus. Then 45, this is 7. Then what we have to do next? Multiplication. 16 twos are 32. Very good, multiplication. 16 twos are 32. 32 plus 7, which is equals to 39. Okay. We will do more. So the other type of questions more. Now the time is going to be up. The school is dispersed. The class is over. Okay. School is dispersed. Class is over, and this meeting is going to be end. Only 1 minute, less than 1 minute is left. Okay. By the time you can copy it down. The school gets over now. Enjoy your day, everyone. Now, please don't ask on the WhatsApp, ma'am, the class is over. Yes, the class is over and the school is also over, dispersed. No class after this.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, everyone.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, everyone.